So today, hopefully, you're taking that down and doing something with the gate because it's sticking. And do you know what I've noticed? Always wearing a red t-shirt. What's that all about? Yeah, so that's all I'm going to be doing today. Lisa said to me, that's my daughter, get your raincoat on, Dad, put your hat on, well, looks like I need one on, and go out there and get wet. So that's what I'm going to do. Thank you, Lisa, I love you too. There's me hat, Lisa. There's my coat. About to get wet. Horrible out there. Catch up in a bit. $19.89 I've had that since. Brilliant saw. A wee boy. It's one of my first tools. It's my first job. Okay, so I said I'd let you know when they came in. Typical. This is Sweetie in Luna's bed, and this is Luna in Sweetie's bed. So this is daughter, this is mum. They look the same to me. Got to do a bit of litter picking. Fox has had the bins out. No idea where that come from, but it's certainly not my house. That's it, all done. Yeah, it has stopped raining. Thank God. Because I can't find my GoPro. I don't know where that's gone. But I had one when I did my Tough Mudder. That's another video I'll put up later on. My Tough Mudder, Cirencester and Matterley Bowl. So yeah, I'll put both of them up, see if you like them. Yeah, got to take the fence down. No more that I can say. Let's clear the crap and see you soon. Okay, back after another rainstorm. It's been raining for about 2 hours now, but It's just stopped. So just so you can see, and turn it round so you can see it's all done, all out. Got a few holes to fill, but there's no point filling them because it's all going to get dug out anyway. See the yellow line there? That's where the footing is. There. That's where the footing's going. Right down there. So that's why. And that's the next project. That fence there, I'm going to cut it about here. Move that along so it fits across there. So it stops the dogs getting between there and there. Hopefully that makes sense. Soon will when you do it and you see what I do. Okay, that's it. Closing out this video. Like, comment, subscribe, all the usual stuff. That's if you even watch this channel. I'm only doing it for myself really. So comment if you like. I'm not bothered, but a like would be good and a subscribe would be good because my dogs would like it. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching.